This is the letter E. This is how you write the letter E. The sound of the letter E is A, as an elephant. Elsa is eating eggs. She likes to eat eggs. Her hen lays eggs every day. It has 10 chicks. Oh, look at the elephant near the tent. The elephant is the biggest animal. Elsa has a tent in front of her house. The tent is blue in color. There is a desk and bench. There is a jug of water on the desk.